How to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, in order to get started, first of all, you need to go to your Windows settings. So you'll go to your taskbar at the bottom, then right click on your Windows icon on the left. Then go to settings. Then go to accounts. Then it will land you here. So ensure that you have selected your info. Then you'll be able to see your Microsoft account here. So in order to remove your Microsoft account from Windows 11 or Windows 10, you will scroll down a little bit. Then down here, you are going to see sign in with a local account instead. So click on it. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Click on next. Then enter your Windows PIN, or if you are set with password, you can enter your Windows password, because this one is for Windows security. So enter your Windows PIN there. Then enter your local account. So you are going to set your username, your new password, and then confirm password and hint. But for me, I'm not going to set my Windows with password. I'm just going to leave it passwordless. So once you've done that, you click on next, then sign out. Now, once you have signed out and you have already signed in, you are going to confirm that the Microsoft account has been removed. So you are going to go to your taskbar, then right click on the Windows icon, then go to settings. Then as you can see on the top here, it is now local account. But if you now click on the accounts, then go to your info, you will see that the account has been removed. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to remove Microsoft account from Windows. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.